My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called Gress. Gress ransomware is also known as Gress or Gress. So this is the program that our research team found while inspecting new submissions to the VirusTotal database. Before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any complications. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this ransomware may encrypt and damage the files that people store on their hard drives. After the attack of the ransomware, this is what happens. A special extension is added to the file, something like that, 34r7hGr455. So this is the unique extension added to all the files by this Gress ransomware. And this is the ransomware note called Gress. It says that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. But the point is that paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. Even though the amount of the ransom is not that big, it's $100, still this may simply be the waste of your money, so don't pay the ransom ever. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser, so go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner through this official website. Install the program, and then after the software gets successfully installed, start researching the system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. In your particular case, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and while the scanning is taking place, you might point your attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add certain folders on your computer, and these folders will always be under the protection of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware against ransomware attacks. The scanning itself, of course, might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and also depending on how many hard drives are connected to your computer. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is over. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of identifying other malicious programs from the system, including adware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, and other threats. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their location, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure.